Okay. Show me.
Hi there guys, welcome to the Dutch SC channel, and this is a public service announcement about a giveaway I have planned, and I'll be giving away the content of this here box from HGLRC. And let's actually have a look at the content of this box. It contains a racing quadcopter in the micro scale. As you can probably tell, it is a stretched X quadcopter, and it looks and feels like a tank, really. Some people actually say it's better than the GiveAway MX3 that I very much like. I haven't flown it, as you can see it's brand new, and I'll be giving it away as it is now. That means that it doesn't have a receiver, so you can use whichever receiver you'd want. It does have a cable over here that you can solder your receiver onto. So I'll be giving this away. This is not a giveaway video, by the way. I'll have that up in a week or so, maybe. Well, but of course you need to subscribe now so you won't miss out on that video. Yeah. And this quadcopter from HGLRC is sold by, for instance, Banggood and Gearbest and such, maybe other places as well. I'll have a couple of links in the description for you to check out, so you can see the specifications and the pricing and such. What more can... Oh yeah, it has an XT30 connector, by the way, in case you're wondering. It has a buzzer, OSD, all kinds of goodness. Even the VTX is settable from your OSD. So with your radio you can change the transmitter settings in the field, which is nice, especially at this price point, I think. Okay, one thing I would like to add is that maybe you want to support my channel. As you can imagine, doing giveaways like this is costly, because it'll be an international giveaway. So I had to purchase this quadcopter for a giveaway, and I'll have the shipping costs. So maybe you want to be a Patreon supporter for my channel. There is a link to my Patreon page as well. That'd be very much appreciated. Not mandatory, of course. You can enter the giveaway without being a Patreon supporter. But again, costly, a giveaway like this. Even running a review channel like this is costly. So I would very much appreciate that if you'd want to consider that. One last question for you. Would you prefer me to give it away as is, brand new, with one set of propellers? Or would you want me to fly it first? So hook up a receiver. In that case I'd be giving it away with an FrSky receiver. But yeah, it won't be brand new anymore. I won't be giving it away if I damage it or crash it horribly, of course. But yeah, tell me what you think. Should I first fly it or give it away as is? Alright. Again, my actual giveaway video will be up in approximately a week. And for now I want to thank you for your attention. Catch you on the next video. Bye bye.